Why is there black dust around my air vents? Black dust around your air vents is usually caused by dirty air filters, soot from candles or fireplaces, or dust sticking to moisture near the vent. Black dust around vents often happens because air is moving through your home and carrying tiny particles with it. When those particles hit the vent cover, they can stick there and build up into a dark ring or powdery line. A very common cause is dirt from a clogged filter, because when the filter is full, more dust keeps circling through the system. Another cause is soot from things like candles, incense, or a fireplace, and that soot can be so fine that it looks almost like black powder. Sometimes the black color is not just dust at all, but tiny bits of rubber, insulation, or dirt mixed with moisture, which makes it cling harder. If the vent is near a bathroom, kitchen, or a cold wall, water in the air can help dust stick more easily. One thing many people do not realize is that the black mark can also come from a slow air leak around the vent opening, because leaking air can pull in dusty insulation from inside the wall. A simple first step is to replace the air filter, wipe the vent clean, and see whether the dust returns quickly. A common mistake is thinking the vent itself is making the black dust, when the real problem is usually somewhere else in the system. If you keep cleaning it but never change the filter, the dust will come back fast. Another mistake is using lots of candles or a fireplace without noticing how much soot they make, so a good tip is to reduce them for a week and watch for changes. People also forget that black dust can be a sign of a bigger airflow issue, so if the area feels dusty even after cleaning, have the ductwork and vent seals checked. If you see streaks on the wall too, that can mean air is leaking and pulling dirt from places you cannot see. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.